Hey guys.
I'm Bob.
I'm Barb. Together we make up
HetteshWorld.
We've got an announcement. We're going to
Hershey RV show, America's biggest RV show.
So we'll see you there, so stay tuned. So it's true, we are going to go to the Hershey RV show, and we feel that this is a very important show, and we do because...
Well, 5 years ago, or 5 years prior to us RVing, we used to go to this show every year, along with the Tampa show, to learn about RVing and the RV equipment.
We did tons of research. It helped us figure out what camper we wanted, and it taught us a lot about the RVing industry, and it educated us and provided useful information. So this is how we figured out where we wanted to be, and ended up with our Riverstone, which today is a travel day, and we're hauling it with us right now on our way to Pennsylvania.
Yeah, the Hershey show is kind of unique because it's where all the industry comes out with all their newest innovation for the next year.
Yep.
So Tampa will have that year's models, but Hershey will have the years coming models.
Yeah. So this is our first time we're going to be giving back this year. We are actually going to be representing MORryde. So we're super excited. That's an announcement. We're going to be influencers, representatives for MORryde. We're going to be in their booth on Saturday. The show is the week of September 11th. So that Saturday we will be at MORryde's booth from 1 to 4. So we want to invite you all to come out and meet us and other influencers that'll be there and just have a good time. We are going to go to the Riverstone booth and spend some time over there shooting. But our big thing is that we want to find out what you guys would like to see.
Yeah, let us know if there's a particular model that our subscribers want to see, or a particular brand. We will be filming, and we will try to attach your name to that brand if we can, and we'll try to get the videos out as soon as we can, so you can actually see these brands on the lots of this show.
Yep, we will try to do real time, maybe some with our cell phones just to get them up right away on shorter ones. But you tell us what you guys want to see. We will seek them out, find them, get them up for you guys. If you have questions or anything you want to know, definitely ask us, and if we don't know the answer because it's a different brand or something, we will find out the answer. It does not have to be Riverstone, it can be anything, but we are going to take you on a wild whirlwind adventure and show you what the Hershey show is like, share information about MORryde and why we love MORryde. It's probably one of the very few people we would ever partner with because we trust them. They're honest and amazing and decent and really great people. So we hope that you like this video. We're going to keep providing updates as we get closer when we know more about what's going on. So like, subscribe, smash up that notification bell. You guys remember that we're HetteshWorld.
Come travel in our world.
See you guys at Hershey. Bye!